Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about metabolism boosting smoothies. And this is going to be an amazing conversation because I actually am very fascinated by this. So if you're interested, definitely stick around. Okay, cool. So if you're still here, thank you. But now let's talk about this, right? So first, let's understand what a metabolism is, first of all. A lot of people don't know, they have maybe misconceptions about it, but we want to make sure we understand a baseline understanding so we can build from there. Now, metabolism, always remember, is how does your body use fuel for energy? So every single thing that you do, the fact that you're listening to me, hearing my words, processing is requiring energy for you to process. You're always needing energy. You're a nuclear reactor, technically. You always need energy. And how do you propel yourself? Usually the most common things that most people think about is food. When you put food inside your body, it goes into your mouth, you chew it, it goes down your esophagus to your GI, and eventually gets processed and you get energy. That's the most common, but also people don't know that we actually get a lot of energy from oxygen. Us breathing in gives us more energy than we actually can't even fathom. It's a lot. So always remember you can get it from oxygen, but now in our context of this video, metabolism boosting smoothie, everyone has had a smoothie in the past. It's usually yogurt based and you have a bunch of good things inside of it, like a green smoothie, which is what I prefer and what we're going to be actually talking about. So metabolism boosting smoothie, it could be any type, but if you try to make it as clean as possible, your best bet would be to go green. Go eat some vegetables, right? So put some vegetables in there, and I'm gonna give you my recipe right now so that way you can give it a try. You probably have these ingredients at home already and you can give it a try. So let's talk about the ingredients. The first ingredient is gonna be kale. Kale or any green leaves. Kale seems to be the highest in the green category because the way you tell is, yes, you can get scientific about it, but you can just look at the color of the plant. If the plant is very, very green, more than likely, like whether it be spinach or something that is like leafy, you know it's gonna be green. It has those phytonutrients in there that makes it green. Most plants are green. So kale is the easiest because it has very deep dark greens and has a lot of good nutrients in there. So definitely you want to put that in that mix. Next up, you want to put some sort of tardiness, and that's where we talk about, what do we talk about? We talk about lemon. You want to put a little bit of lemon in there. That was a tongue twister. A little bit of lemon. So you want to put that in there so that way you can actually get that flavor profile, and it really helps accelerate your metabolism. There's actually a video that I made about lemon water, and what does that do? How does it stimulate your metabolism? So definitely give it a look if you need to. Kale, we talked about lemon, and then we talk about a little bit of flavor. You need to add a little bit of like sweetness to it. So green apples would be an amazing combination, or anything of that sweet nature but not too sweet. We want to have just a little bit. And then with that, then you put a little bit more. If it wasn't a smoothie and was just a regular green juice, bonus 2 additional ingredients I would put in there. I would put in there cucumbers, and I would also put in there celery. These things are like drinking like coconut water. This is like drinking, you know, water that has a little bit of flavor tint to it. That's just that feeling, which is great. You're getting, you're boosting your metabolism at the same time drinking in water, which is great. So that's the recipe. So anytime you think about metabolism boosting smoothies, just use the heuristics. You don't need to be prescribed this exact same ingredients for you to make that smoothie. It's more like, okay, I understand the concept. I understand the logic behind why I would want to drink a smoothie that is going to boost my metabolism, and then instead of you just like picking one up like, oh, this is going to do it, but you don't really know what's in there. You don't know, maybe there's just too much sugar in there, and so that won't really boost anything. It's just going to make you store more and more of it. With that being said, guys, if you found any value in this video, definitely give it a like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.